In this video, we are going to show you the details of the CMCcare Thumb Brace and how to fit the brace to your hand. The CMCcare is a firm, lightweight brace with a thin metal stay that allows you to shape it to your hand for the best fit and comfort. The minimal design supports the base of your thumb but lets you move your wrist and your thumb and fingers so you have full use of your hand. The first step in fitting the brace is adjusting the length of the strap. The long strap fits a range of hand sizes, and we recommend shortening it by opening the hook closure and pulling the strap to shorten it an inch or two depending on the size of your hand. Slip the brace on your thumb and close the strap. The closure tab should be centered on the back of the hand. The next step is to start to shape the metal stay. With the brace off your hand, press on the end of the stay where it fits in your palm to create a slight curve as the first adjustment. Put the brace back on, close the strap, and make an O with your thumb and index finger and pinch lightly. If the brace feels secure and comfortable, no further adjustments are needed. If you feel you need more support, with your thumb relaxed, grip and squeeze the stay until you feel the brace tighten around your thumb. Do the O test again, and if your thumb feels secure, you are almost done. A 3PP cozy liner is included with the CMCcare to cushion your thumb as needed. Simply slip the cozy liner on with the 3PP logo on the back side of your thumb. Slide the CMCcare over the cozy liner, close the strap, and adjust the cozy as needed. Congratulations! You are now ready to do all of your daily tasks without pain while wearing the CMCcare.